Okay, so hi friends. So today we will craft a BTS aeroplane. So first we need this white color paper and this glitter paper and pen and scale scissor. Wait a second. Okay, so we need this scissor and pen and the scale. So first we know how to make a plane, a normal plane. If you have this sticker glitter paper, then you don't use the glue. If you don't have, you can use the glue. Okay, so those who have don't know, I am showing how to make. So first, listen. No, we have like this. Like this, and then oopsies, sorry friends. Now our paper plane is ready. Guys, you are looking. Okay, so now we have done with our paper plane. So now keep it aside. Now where is our? So this is our glitter paper. You can take any color. Okay, so now what we have to do? We have to draw BTS logo. Okay. Wait a second, guys. Okay, so friends, we have done with this BTS logo, and now we have to cut. So wait this. Yeah. Okay, so friends, you have cutted this BTS logo, and now we have to stick in here. So if you have this sticker ones, then you can stick it without glue. If you don't have, you can use glue to stick. And this we have to stick here. Perfect. Look like this, you can see. And now this also. So friends, we have done this BTS aeroplane. Okay. So now we have to design. Okay. Now this is not the good one, but I will design it. Okay. So I will take some colors. Wait a second. Okay, so friends, we have this oil pastel, and now we are decorating our BTS plane. Okay, so how it's looking nice. If it is nice, so like and subscribe. And if you love BTS, please share. And if you love Blackpink, so please comment. Now we have these colors, so we will take purple, blue, light blue I mean. Okay, so we will take only these two colors. Okay, and we are now decorating our BTS plane. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to decorate here and here. Okay, and then at last we will see that it is flying or not. Oopsies. Okay, it's okay. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to write here BTS and here in light blue color ARMY. Okay, so first we will write here BTS. Okay, and here ARMY. Oopsies. Okay, so we have done with our aeroplane. With here you can see it is written BTS. Second. BTS. Okay, and here ARMY. Okay, and here with purple color these so do you like play? Now we have decorated from this, okay, below side. Now we have to decorate from the upper side. Okay, this side, this and this. Okay, so for that we need this dark blue. So what we have to do first, so we have write this ARMY and here BTS. Okay, here. And now what we have to do, here we have to draw lines to decorate. Okay, so like this. You have to continue the same color till we not reach till end. Okay, so look now here. What was the end color? And we will now light blue, then purple, and then blue. This, and this, this, and this. Okay, so we have completed this. Okay, and the lines and our BTS plane. Now we have completed this side. Now we have to decorate this side. Okay. But first we have to proper this. Okay. It is looking proper. Okay, so now we have to do what we have to do. We have to take this black color and wait a second, I'm thinking what to have to do with this black color. Okay. Okay, so we have write the BTS names. Okay. So first we will write here 4 names, here 3 names. Okay. So first we will start from here. Who is your favorite and comment in comment box? Tell me in comment box. Okay, so we have read these 3 names. And okay, so we have done this aeroplane. Okay, so friends, you have liked the aeroplane. This, so like and subscribe my channel. Bye.